Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to find Launchpad option in your Binance app. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Binance app, and here you have to click on top right. Here you have to click on top left Binance logo. Here you can see you have to click on this top left, this Binance logo. When you click on this, now here you have to click on this more services. Click on this more services. After that you have to scroll down, and here you can see option. Here you can see so many option. Now here you have to now here you have now here you can see option Launchpad at the earn icon. Earn, at the earn section, here you can see Launchpad option, launch pool. You have to click on this. In this way, you can get launch pool option in your Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.